Today we will be talking about the cellular respiration cycle. This takes place in 4 different steps within the mitochondria and outside the mitochondria.
Cellular respiration is the way that animals and other organisms use glucose to produce large amounts of energy to be used by the cells for all of the different cell functions. Oxygen must be present to allow the entire aerobic cellular respiration process to occur. The first step in the aerobic cellular respiration process is called glycolysis, which takes place in the cytoplasm. In glycolysis, glucose is converted into pyruvate, which can then be sent to later steps in the cycle. Glycolysis uses 2 NAD+, 2 ADP, and glucose to yield 2 NADH, 2 ATP, and pyruvate. The pyruvate is then sent through the mitochondrial membrane to the matrix. Pyruvate is then converted to acetyl-CoA. 2 more NADH are produced from NAD+.
After that, the 2 acetyl-CoA go into the citric acid cycle. The citric acid cycle is also known as the Krebs cycle. When processing through there, 2 ATP, 6 NADH, and 2 FADH are produced. The 2 ATP are then rejected out, and the NADH and the FADH collect with the rest from the other cycles. Those electrons from the NADH and FADH pass through oxidative phosphorylation. Oxidative phosphorylation is made up of an electron transport chain. Within that, electrons pass through a chain, moving hydrogen ions in and out through the mitochondria. This movement will produce ATP. That collection of ATP could yield anywhere between 26 to 28 ATP based on how well it did. After all of cellular respiration, there could be a total anywhere between 30 to 34 ATP from all the steps. This is how the cell will produce energy.